Hey everyone, I know it's been a really long time since I last made a video, but since we're all stuck at home right now, I managed to get some makeup on, and I decided that since I'm missing Disney so much, I'm gonna try and attempt to make some Mickey Mouse beignets. And I'm cheating a bit because I bought the Cafe du Monde beignet mix. I love this mix. It's so simple to make beignets with these, and I love the flavor. So I'm gonna be using that, and I have my little Mickey Mouse cookie cutter, so I'm hoping it'll get the right shape with this. So I'm gonna start getting everything together and then we'll begin. So the instructions said to pour 2 cups of the mix, 7 ounces of water. So we're just gonna mix that together. And it says to mix it with a spoon. Oh, I also have grapeseed oil here heating up right now. It's supposed to get to 370, so we'll check that in a couple of minutes. Just mixing this here with a spoon, and we see it's starting to thicken up. That's the consistency. So we're going to pour this here on this floured surface, and we're going to roll it out. We're going to add some more flour to the top. Okay, so I cleared up my cutting board a bit because the flour just got out of control that was stuck on there, and I wanted to make sure I was rolling out some clean dough. So now it's still kind of soft inside, but more holding together, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is the thickness, there you go, of the beignet that I just cut, and we're going to toss it in. And you want to throw oil on it to get it up close. Okay, so the last thing that's left to do is to dust them with powdered sugar. Here's the final look. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna make some coffee and enjoy these while they're still warm. And I am also going to add the Disney recipe for the actual Mickey beignets from Port Orleans, and just in case you don't have access to the mix. So you could do these at home really easily. I'm pretty sure it's just flour and water, maybe a couple things. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye.